So we will start with preparing a bowl around Jerusalem artichokes, which is one of the roots that we have at this moment, because it's for us very important to respect the seasons. This is also the part where we think about sustainability. We always tend to use the lacto fermentation as well to conservate our products, to use this overproduction of the summer during winter time as well. So at the bottom of this bowl you will have the cream of the Jerusalem artichokes, and then he has taken some of the Jerusalem artichoke that has been fermented and he has chopped them in a small brunoise, and then the chips of fresh Jerusalem artichokes around it. What we also enjoy doing at San is using every part of the vegetable to prepare dishes. So what you see here on this side will be the powder made of the Jerusalem artichokes peel. We dry them and we make a powder out of it so that you really have a very strong taste of the artichoke itself. So you see that only with one vegetable you will be able to make and build a very nice combination that presents very well and tastes very good. And then we always finish the touch with flowers and fresh herbs. So this is important, but aesthetic as well.